A big kitchen, a cool common space, and suite style bathrooms. This hall has it all. Welcome to Strong Hall. Let's go check out my friend Lauren and Makayla's room.
Hey,
what's up? How are you?
welcome to our crib.
Awesome. So, what makes Strong special?
I love how Strong is so small and it's like kind of quiet, not too much going on, not too crazy.
Yeah, right on the edge of campus. It's nice and quiet.
So, show me around.
This is my bed.
Awesome. Girl boss.
Yes.
How do you get up there?
I climb on this and then this
Ah, nice.
and then there. Or there's like a ladder on each side I can use too.
That's cool. I like how you did this. You have like your stuff underneath and then you have like a desk space and everything.
Yeah, so it's kind of like a nice little area for me to just work, and I kind of feel kind of secluded in here.
You
And
guys
then I
get your own
have,
like personal spaces and everything.
yeah.
So we had this idea when we were moving in to create more space. We felt it just really opened up the room
Yeah.
in order to get more working space. And
Yeah.
stuff.
And you have a lot of space for your clothes too. Awesome. Let me show me around your side.
Yeah, so it's pretty much the same setup. So this is where I work, usually where I do my homework. I keep most of my clothes in here. So I decided to put my fridge back here, and it just gives me more room for like a coffee maker and like sort of like a tiny kitchen.
So how's the bathroom situation?
So we got really lucky being in Strong. We actually have like a semi-private bathroom, so we share it with 2 other girls. And so we don't have to walk far.
Yeah, it's like right here.
Yeah, it's not a
Cool.
community bathroom.
Tell me about this common room. It is huge.
Oh yeah, it's pretty awesome. I love these high ceilings. We have some nice comfy couches. We get to chill out here, do our homework. We have movie nights. I like to cook, so make some good food. Everyone comes out. It's a nice time.
Cool.
We have this nice kitchen over here. I've used it a lot.
And this is open for everyone in the hall?
Yeah, so this is open for everyone. Anyone can put anything in the fridge. We had like a Halloween movie night. We had snacks, Christmas. We did like a Friendsgiving where we had like a little dinner for everyone. It was really cute.
Thanks, Lauren and Makayla. If you're looking for a place to live on campus, Strong Hall is a strong contender.